I have a problem with my mobile. The brand is THL, the Happy Life, and the model is W200. I have a problem with the camera. The camera doesn't work. I push the icon and the message is it can't access to the camera. One more time. I reboot the mobile and the result is the same. And the last day I restore the value the result is the same. The camera doesn't work and I delete all my data because I restored the initial value of this mobile, the data of manufacture. I have a problem and I need a solution because I work with my camera. One more time, the same message. It can't access to the camera. I find my internet and I see it's a common error for this mobile. A lot of people say the same. My camera doesn't work because I think this is a hardware error.